In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this BMW X5. This can be located in the back cargo area. Let's get into it. After you open the lift gate, you want to drop the tailgate down, pull that lever, pop that down. Underneath this cargo area, you want to pop that up. Just going to use a hood prop and just prop that up out of the way. There's a tray right here. There may be some screws in those locations. This vehicle doesn't have any, so you want to take those out and then pull this tray up and out of the way. Now we're going to disconnect the battery, use a 10mm socket, loosen up the terminal, take that off, set that aside. While you have the battery disconnected, it's important to not close the liftgate because the latch is electronically controlled. We're going to remove this bracket right here, use a 13mm socket, take this bolt out. Take that out. And down below, take that bolt out. Another 13mm socket. That's out. Grab the bracket, pull that off. And there's another bracket right here. Use a 13mm socket. Pull that off. Now we're going to pop this cover open. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver right here. Just move that lever over. You can access that nut. Use a 13mm socket. Loosen up that nut. Take that nut off and grab this bracket. There's clips on the side. You might need a straight blade screwdriver to release the clips. And pop those wires out of the way. Now we can disconnect this. Just pop that cover off using a 10mm socket. Loosen up this nut. Grab that, pull that out of the way, and grab the battery. Pull it towards the center a little bit. There should be a hose attached to the side of the battery. Right here, you want to disconnect that hose. This one's broken. And grab the battery and pull it right out. Now take the battery, slide it past the wires. You want to take the hose that's on the back side. You want to attach that to the side of the battery. And there should be a plug on this side of the battery. Slide the battery over and connect the positive terminal. We can snug this down. Give it a wiggle. Yep, that's tight. And take these wires. Connect that. Push down so that latches in. Take this nut. Get the nut started. And snug that down. Close the covers. And take the bracket. Get the bracket lined up. Put the bolt in. And we'll tighten that down. You just want to snug that down. Alright, that's good, that's snug. Now we're going to do the other bracket. I take this other bracket, get this lined up. Just going to go under this wire, get the bolt started. snug that down. And snug this down. Now you want to connect the connector. Get that lined up. And we'll snug this down. Take the cover, get that lined up in position. And if yours was screwed in, put the screws in. Tighten that down. Now remove the hood prop. Lower that cover down. Close the tailgate, and then you can close the lift gate, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.